I made a mistake. The second compartment is supposed to be tables. You know, I told you it has three compartments. First compartment is database. Second compartment is tables. So the last one, which is the last of the compartment, is what we call column. So I have to change it from column. I'm not yet getting the column yet. So let's see, it's asking me again if I need to use the cookie. And here we have a lot of information here. Now let's see. It says from here, for the database specified, it has 34 tables. And these are the tables. From here, I'm going to highlight it downward. You can see admin login. Wow, admin login. I will need to know what is in that admin login. You can see banners, cast, category, city, and so on and so forth. Let's see what else is there. Paid details. I can see paid details here. Orders, payment details, payment option. Whoa, that means in the sites, any users. Let me go back to the site and check. That means they do pay to visit to register in this site. They do pay. So I think for this pay site, I will be getting enough information. Let's go back to my black screen. So I'm going to pick one of this information which I want to know. I'll pick one which I want to know. I don't know. Let's pick let's pick let's pick page details. Let's go for paid details. Page details. Okay. Page details. Or let's just dump all of them so that we can see a lot of information. Let's get the whole details of what we are seeing of the tables here. Now I've gotten the tables. I've gotten the tables here, so I'll just specify. So we are going for admin login first. Admin login, sorry, I don't need it in capital letter. Admin login. I think that is what I saw. Admin login. Right, yeah. Then the last compartment, which is the column. Columns. So I will see that from admin login. Let's see what we have. So let's see what details we can get from that admin login. Probably it's also asking me for the cookies if I want to use the cookies. And here we are. Under this admin login, we have admin password, admin username, and ID. Now, this is a lot we need to know. So I will need to know what admin username and password is there. Having this information, you can see that I'm getting deeper into getting the admin login and username and password of that particular website, which I cannot see from the front end, but only from the back end. And it only requires access from the administrator for you to get to the back end, except you want to break into it, which I'm doing now, which is unlawful. But I will just want to. The reason why I'm making this is for you to know that you need a secure website rather than just giving your website to anybody. So this is very interesting. I will have to go for the admin password. Let me first go for the admin password, modify my code, my command, and see. We'll both look at both the admin password and the admin username. So I will choose admin password, right? Admin password, then add a little command or syntax to it so that I can be able to get more details from it. So we are good. Let's see what it's going to bring us to. You just wait, asking me if I want to use cookies, and look at it, it's fetching out the column for the tables, each one of it. Oh, I was supposed to do something. This is going to, okay, let's see. I think I'm going to start it. There's a mistake in that command which I gave. Let's just see only the admin password because I'm coming to the other part of it. Let's see the admin password. Of course, it's going to ask me if I want to use that cookies. And here we can see a lot of details. The web application backend is MySQL. From here, web application technology is Apache, PHP, and the PHP version is 5.640, and it's using MariaDB. And look at what we have here. Look at what we have here. Let me highlight it. The admin password is this. So if you have we already have the admin password. What about the username? Let's look at the username. So now I'm going to change it to a username. I think it's username we got there. I think it's username we got there. Username we got there. And here we are. Here we are. So let's see what we can get. We already have the password for the admin. Then we have Y. And let's see the username so that we can use that. You see how critical this can be if your website is not secured. Then any skilled hacker can be able to break into it and get the information the way I'm doing now. Now we have admin username and admin username and admin password up there. So now see, the administrator of this website did not give me the password and the username, but I've gotten it way and manner, like the military people will say, way and manner. So I've gotten it way and manner like this. So this is an example of the information I can be extracting from a non-secure website which is vulnerable to any attack. Now we have the admin username. Is this only the information we can get? We can get more information. So let me show you more information we can get. Let me just modify my one-line command and see if we can get more information. Yeah, of course, it's telling me the backend, which I already know is MySQL. And if I want to use the cookie, yes, of course, I want to use the cookies. Now we'll just allow it to do its thing. Let's watch. Here, showing me fetching the column of a wall. You can see a lot of information is coming up now. Whoa. See a lot of information I can get from the front end. Now we have end up infiltrated the back end of this website. We have infiltrated the back end of this website. We have hacked it, and we can see a lot of, look at information here, info at blah blah blah. I can see something here. Whoa. Let's allow it to run and see what else we can get. It's fetching out a lot of information. Whoa. See, I'm interested in your profile. If you're interested in the profile, please contact me. I think this is messages within the website. Whoa, look at a lot of address here. Look at the email. I think this is phone number. Oh, I guess this website is an Indian website. The administrator is okay, see what we got again. Look at the admin password and admin username we got. Yeah, I guess the owners of this website is an Indian